Let's take a closer look at your account page. To get started, locate your avatar on the bottom left corner of your screen and click on it. This will open the Account Settings menu where you can customize your profile, access video tutorials, manage security settings, and more. In the Profile panel, you'll find an Edit button. Clicking this allows you to update your personal information and change your avatar. You have two options for your avatar: upload an image or use a solid color with your initials. To set an image, click the Browse for Image button. A window will appear, letting you choose an image from your device. Once selected, you'll have the ability to crop it to your liking, ensuring your avatar looks just the way you want. If you prefer a simpler look, you can select the Change Color and Initials button instead. This option lets you customize the initials displayed on your avatar and adjust the color by sliding the handle on the color bar. Once you've made your selection, remember to click the Save button to finalize your changes. Next, we have the Video Tutorials panel. Clicking on this will take you to a library of tutorials specifically tailored to the features you have access to. This is an excellent resource for onboarding and getting up to speed with LawOffice.ai features. Whether you're new to the platform or exploring a new feature, this panel is your go-to guide. Moving on to security settings, you'll find the Security panel. Here, you can change your password to keep your account secure. Simply enter your current password, followed by your new password. Be sure to meet the secure password policy requirements. These will appear as green indicators to guide you. Once everything is set, click the Change Password button to save your updates. For an overview of your logged-in devices, navigate to the Sign-in History panel. Click the View button to see a visual list of your signed-in devices, giving you better control and insight into your account activity. Finally, on the top right corner of the account settings, you'll find the Sign Out button. Clicking this will end your session and take you to the Signed Out page. From there, you can easily log back in by entering your password, and that's a summary of your account page. With these tools at your fingertips, managing your account has never been easier.